Hi, we're Paul and Eva, and we're the owners of Finca Flores and Marias, a 5-star bed and breakfast in Extremadura in Spain. And we're here to show you a very special product that you can find on our online gift shop.
Yes, and it's these chocolate fig bonbons. Our village, Almaurín, is famous for figs, for a variety of dry figs, and a local business makes these chocolate fig bonbons. Now we're going to open this box, but before we do, there are 4 different flavors. The original one that they started with maybe 30 years ago was dark chocolate, and the fig was brandy flavored. Now that was like this one is milk chocolate with salted caramel, and it's my favorite. I don't know about you, that's why I've got this box. And there's 2 more that they recently put out. They are milk chocolate with strawberry flavored figs, and ruby chocolate with kava flavored figs. And Paul's going to explain what kava is while I open this box, because we only have one chance to open it.
Kava is basically Spain's version of champagne. It's a sparkling white wine. It comes in a bottle very much like champagne, and it's been used to flavor these figs. So I'm really I'm looking forward to trying those.
Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this is, they call this unboxing on YouTube. Okay, the box is very hard and sturdy, so it fares well in transport. Okay, you can see very nicely placed 8 figs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. We're going
to dig in. Do you want to go for one of these?
No, I'm okay with this.
Okay
We've
with
opened
that.
this, so let's do it.
Yeah. Okay. So let's try them. Let's see if they're still
beautifully packaged, aren't they?
If they're still as good as I remember them to be.
It's a shame to break them open.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oops. Nice. Looks nice. I like it.
So there it is.
Yeah. Okay. So you have chocolate. In this case, milk chocolate. There's a fig inside with some salted caramel. Oh, okay.
Delicious.
Let's have a bite.
Yeah. Oh. It's a joy every time.
Definitely salted caramel. If you like dark chocolate, obviously go for dark chocolate. If you like white chocolate, go for white chocolate. But I don't know if you remember, the white one is very sweet. So you really need to have a sweet tooth. And you can have one and a glass of water. And that's it, which is good. So they last, they last long. No, but this one...
This box won't last long.
This won't last long. Not with me in the house, no. Okay, so these boxes come with 8 figs each. All you have to do is pick your flavor and order them. That's it. No?
Yeah, that's it.
Just go to our online shop
check it out.
You can buy their wonderful gifts. As you can see, the box is nice and sturdy, so a classy gift, I would say.
Perfect for Christmas. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We hope
that's it.
We hope you
enjoy them.
Yeah, we
try them out and enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, take care and...
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
They're good. These are the best.
Yeah, no, I probably would...
You can put them back in the fridge. Which one? Wait. Take this one.
Oh, yeah. I thought there was...
What do you prefer?
Probably the dark chocolate.